The journey to 10k a month. So, welcome back to another video. And what we're doing here is we are documenting and sharing our journey to hopefully achieving 10k a month monthly recurring passive income. And we're doing that via building a community over on the platform Skool, which is all around earning online with faceless content and AI. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you two different resources which we are using to essentially market our community on multiple platforms. One of them is paid, one of them is free, but they're both awesome. So let's dive in the laptop and I'll show you them and how they work. Okay, so we'll start with the first tool, and it's a free one, and it's bloody brilliant, and it was shared, believe it or not, over in our community a couple of days ago. So I've been testing it, and I'll show you how this works. So if I come over onto here, you'll see I'm on notebooklmn.google. To get over here, it's really straightforward and simple. Just literally type it in. So type in notebooklm like this, and then we just want to come down to this one over here, the Google Notebook. And they've recently added in this new feature, and it's brilliant. It really is. So all you do is literally come over here, create an account for free using your Google account, and then you would click on create new, okay? And then from here, you've got a few different options. So let me just close this and I'll show you the options. So on here, basically you upload a resource or a source, and that can be a PDF, a website link, like I'll show you. So I click on here, you can upload links on here, websites, YouTube videos, you can even paste in your text, and then it takes that text or that resource or PDF and it converts it into a video. And I'll show you the video I just created a few minutes ago. So let me come out of here. Let me go back into this one over here. So for this, what I did was I uploaded my PDF, my free giveaway, to get people over into the community. So again, let me show you that. So if I come over here, I've got it here. Here it is, opt-in freebie. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm giving people this in exchange for their email. So I've uploaded this into the Google LM, and you can see this is the resource that we give away, and it talks about 4 different modules people can use to earn online with faceless and AI content. So you can see we've got lots of stuff in here. I mean, literally, it's a decent resource as well, actually. It really is. So this is the resource that we've uploaded, okay? That's it. So let me come up with that. So all I did was come over here, uploaded it, and then it generates this video. And look at this, it's over 7 minutes long. And you might be thinking, well, it might be a bit crappy. Let's have a little look at it. So I've watched the first.
Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to tear down this really fascinating guide that
There we go. Sorry, I couldn't find the pause button. Yeah, I've watched the first minute of this, and I'm properly impressed with it. So I'm going to play a little bit of this for you so you can see it and what it does. And remember, if we come back over here, this is what we uploaded. And this is the video it's created. So I'll play a little bit of it for you.
completely flips the script on what it means to build a business online. It's all about creating profitable, AI-driven digital assets. And the kicker is, you can do it without ever showing your face or becoming some big public personality. Let's get into it. And boom, right there, that's the whole idea. You know that old advice, chase followers, build a personal brand for years, and then maybe you'll make
Absolutely awesome in there. It's brilliant. It really is. So moving forward, I'm going to be using this little feature a bit more because, like I say, it's free. It's creating this video for me. And what I like about it is, unlike normal software, I'm trying to think of one like Designer, for example. This software over here, it's really good at creating ebooks and presentations. But normally what happens with them is you would go ahead and upload a resource like this, and it would take that resource and it would just format each page into a slide, and it would literally just read off here. But as you can see over here with this, it's completely making a unique video.
maybe even a smart
And if I scroll through it, you can see it's all new.
witty can you're
It's
looking to scale and systemize.
it's brilliant. It really is. So moving forward, I'm going to be using this free piece of software here to create these explainer videos like this and a few more. And then we'll just start sharing it on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, and other platforms. So that's the first one. But as you've seen, as a free tool, and the output is brilliant. So thanks to Peter over in the Faceless Movement community for sharing it, because I didn't know that feature was available in Google LM. So yeah, that is the first one, okay? The next one is this one over here. Now, this one is paid, but you can try it out absolutely for free. I'll put a link to it down below. If you want to check it out, go ahead and do so. I've also got a 4-day free training on that somewhere. If I can find the link, I'll put that down below as well for you to show you this. So this is a piece of software called Syllabi. And as you can see over here, I've got it creating all of these different videos which are promoting the Faceless movement on Skool, okay? And how it works is, it's awesome, it really is, okay? So I come in here and I tell it I want to make a video. Now in here, you've got loads and loads of options with this, okay? So first of all, you pick one of these, but that is not all of them. Let me click on this, make it a bit bigger. So you can see these are styles. So you can pick any one of these. Basically, they're a template for your video. And you can see there's loads and loads of different styles in here. Now, the one I like to use with this account is ultra realism. So I'll show you this. So where is it? There's ultra realism and there's cinematic realism as well, which is, again, they're both really good templates. So hyper realism. So that's that one, okay? So that is the format of the video, and basically how this software Syllabi works is, unlike other video generators like Pictory and a few more, it doesn't use stock footage. So when it creates a video for you, it creates the images, and everything inside of that video is fresh, it's new, it's unique because AI has created it for you, okay? So select your template, then you've got a couple of options. All you've got to do is go through this and you are good to go. So the first thing is, which ratio do you want? Do you want it in a portrait ratio or do you want it in a landscape? So this over here is perfect for shorts, for YouTube shorts, TikTok, etc. This is for longer format videos. So with that, I go with portrait. Then, if I do this bit here, how long do you want the video? So for these shorts, under a minute normally. Okay? So I go there. Now, you can, in the software, tell it what you want a video about and it will create the video for you. But I literally just use ChatGPT for this. So all I do is, you can see over here, I have got ChatGPT to create these little video scripts for me, okay? So let's just go with this one. I'm going to copy that script. I'm then going to go back over into Syllabi. I'm going to paste that down there. So that there is my video script. So this here, this text up here, is what the AI will create the images and the video around. Then I scroll down. Then you've got subtitles, so this little bit across the bottom. So you can have it with none if you want, or you can go with any of these. You can also change the position of the subtitles, whether you want it at the bottom, the top, etc. The colours, and also the voiceover. Now with the voiceovers again, they're brilliant. So you've got male, female, you've got young, different nationalities in here, different languages. There's loads to choose from. Okay, now I can tell you I like to go with Daniel. And again, if you want to hear any of them, I just click on there.
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the...
So that's the one I like to use, okay? And then you've got other options down here, like do you want your subtitles to have animations? Do you want to have effects on here? Do you want a watermark? There's loads of ways you can do this, okay? But let me just come on here really quickly and click it to my Shorts default. So that there is what I use. I use this subtitle at the bottom with Daniel doing the voiceover. That is the colour. And it's good to go, okay? So that there will create my video for me. So then, once I'm happy with that, I just click on Generate Video. And then it will go ahead and create the video for you. Rendering. Now, because these are pretty short videos, they don't take long to do. So let me show you one that I created earlier, well, an hour ago. Let's just click on this so you can see how the videos look, okay? So I'm going to click on here.
The internet doesn't owe you attention. You can post every day, cry about the algorithm, and still get ignored. The truth? You don't need attention. You need automation. Faceless systems don't care about life.
So you can see, it looks great. It's created the images, it's done the voiceover for you, go away, Norton. It creates the voiceover for you and the videos. Now, here's everything you can do with this, okay? If you don't like any part of it, you can simply click on Edit Video, and then you can change the image for this. So if you didn't like the beginning image, you can change it. You can even add motion to the actual image. And you can just click on here and it will add motion, and then it will render the video for you. So that there, let me go back.
The internet doesn't owe you a...
Go back again, is syllabi. And literally, I use this at the start of the week. And as you can see here, an hour ago, it literally takes me about 10 minutes to create all of the shorts for this account. And then I have those shorts go out on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So one video goes out on 3 different platforms, and all of them are promoting the Faceless movement. It's an awesome piece of software. And I'll tell you what, actually, I've just remembered, I'll share this with you. If you do want to check it out, I've got a promotion code for you. So where is the promotion code? Let me come in here and grab it for you. If you are in the Faceless movement, then this is in here anyway. Yeah, look. So click the link down below and then put this in, Austin's birthday, in the promotion, in the checkout box, like where it says enter promo code, and it will give you 35% off. It's a brilliant piece of software. I use Syllabi on loads of different projects and resources. Not only this one, I have it on monetized YouTube. I've now got 3 AI monetized YouTube channels using this piece of software over here. It's brilliant. But that's today's video. That is the 2 different tools I am using to speed up the content creation for marketing the Skool community. So we're using Syllabi over here to create our shorts, and then moving forward, I'm going to be using Notebook over here to create these videos over here because they're absolutely awesome. So yeah, that's it. Any questions, do let me know. I'll see you soon.